Good morning to children. In previous class we completed exercise 5. 6 problems are completed. Now 7th problem say Aruna and Radha start their journey from two different places. A and E. Aruna choose the path from A to B. Then to C. While Radha chose the path from E to D, then to C. Find who travelled more and by how much. See the figure. Aruna started A. Okay, A to B, then to C. Okay, Radha travelled starting E to D, then to C. Okay, who travelled more and by how much? Solution see ma. From the figure, the distance travelled by Aruna equal to A to B then to C. A to B then to C means AB plus BC. Here AB what ma? AB 9.50 kilometers plus BC 2.40 kilometers equal to 9.50 plus 2.40. 0, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. 11.90 kilometers. The distance travelled by Aruna 11.90 kilometers. Next, the distance travelled by Radha equal to E to D then to C. E to D then to C equal to ED plus DC. ED value 8.25 kilometers plus DC value 3.75 kilometers equal to 12 kilometers. Okay, the distance travelled by Aruna 11.90 kilometers. The distance travelled by Radha 12 kilometers. Who travelled more ma? Here see 11.90 greater or 12 greater? 12 greater. So Radha distance more travelled. Okay. Therefore Radha has more travelled. By how much means difference equal 12 minus 11.90 equal to 0.10 kilometers. 0.10 kilometer. Okay, 0.10 kilometer difference ma. Okay, once again say from the figure the distance travelled by Aruna A to B then to C. AB plus BC. AB means 9.50 kilometers plus 2.40 kilometers equal to 11.90 kilometers. The distance travelled by Radha E to D then to C. E to D means ED plus DC. ED value 8.25 kilometers plus DC value 3.75 kilometers. 8.25 plus 3.75 means 12 kilometers. Radha has more travel. Difference equals 12 minus 11.90. 12 minus 11.90 means 0.10 kilometer more Radha than Aruna. Okay. Next one. Okay, next eighth one, Seema. Upendra went to the market. Upendra went to the market to buy vegetables. Upendra went to the market to buy vegetables. He brought 2 kilograms 250 grams. He brought 2 kilograms 250 grams tomatoes. 2 kilograms 500 grams potatoes. 750 grams lady fingers and 125 grams green chilies. How much weight did Upendra carry back to his house? Okay, Upendra went to the market to buy vegetables. Solution, Seema. Weight of tomatoes. The weight of tomatoes. The weight of tomatoes equal to 2 kilogram 250 grams. 2 kilograms 250 grams. 2 kilograms 250 grams. Okay, next weight of potatoes. The weight of potatoes. Weight of potatoes. Potatoes weight how much ma? 2 kilogram 500 grams. 2 kilogram 500 grams. 2 kilogram 500 grams. Next, the weight of ladies fingers. The weight of lady fingers. The weight of lady fingers equal to 750 grams. 750 grams means 0 kilogram 750 grams. 0 kilogram 750 grams. Next, the weight of green chilies. The weight of green chilies equal to weight of green chilies 125 grams. So 0 kilogram 125 grams. 0 kilogram 125 grams. Weight of tomatoes 2 kilogram 250 grams. Weight of potatoes 2 kilograms to 500 grams. And the weight of lady fingers 0 kilogram 750 grams. Weight of green chilies 125 grams. Total weight equal addition to ma. Total weight means 5. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 5 12. 7 plus 5 12. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 7 9. 9 plus 5 14. 14 plus 2 16. 14 plus 2 16. Okay, 625 grams. Next, 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 kilograms. Okay, 5 kilograms 625 grams. Total weight to 5 kilograms 625 grams. Therefore, the weight did Upendra carry back? Total weight did Upendra carry back to his house? Carry back to his house equal to 5 kilogram 625 grams. 5 kilogram 625 grams. Okay, understood? Okay, next. Okay, next, up to now we discussed decimal numbers, additions, subtractions. Now multiplication of decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers. Example, 0.4 into 0.2. 0.4 into 0.2. Here two methods we will follow. See, first method 0.4. 0.4 means 4 by 10. We will write 4 by 10 into 0.2 means 2 by 10. 0.2 means 2 by 10 equal to 4 by 10 into 2 by 10 means 4 into 2. 4 into 2 by 10 into 10 equal to 4 2s are 8 by 10 10s are 100. 4 2s are 8 by 10 10s are 100 equal to here denominator 2 zeros is there. So 2 numbers before key point. Here 8 to 0.0 0.08. Okay, this one 0.08 or another method Sima. Okay, this is the one method. Next another method 0.4 into 0.2 0.4 into 0.2. We know that multiplication, first normal multiplication do multiply with 2, multiply with 2. 2 into 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 into 0, 0. Next 0, multiply with 0. 0 into 4, 0. 0 into 0, 0 equal to 8, 0, 0. Okay, now we will keep point here. First number, one number before key point. Here, one number before point is there. So, total how many numbers? Here one number, here one number. 2 numbers. So, we will keep point 2 numbers before. 2 numbers before means 8, 0. 8 to 0 before key point. 0.08. Same answer. One subject, same answer. Okay? Which method is easy? That method we will follow. Okay, understood? 0.4 into 0.2. Okay, first normal multiplication do ma. 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 into 0, 0. Next 0 into 4. 0. 0 into 0, 0. 8, 0, 0. Okay, here first number, one decimal point before point is there. Here one number before point is there. So total 2 numbers before. That's why last answer 2 numbers before will keep point. Okay, understood? This is the multiplication of decimal number. Next multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay. See example 2.3 into 10. 2.3 into 10. Okay, 2.3 into 10. Very easy. 2.3 means here. How many zeros is there? 1 0. So, one number, right side move the point. Right side move the point. Okay, in multiplication, into 10, 100, 1000, that like given means, we move to the right side of the point. Here 1 0 is there. So, one number right side move the point. 2.3 into 10, 23. 23 point. Last point is there. Why? Here 1 0 is there. 10 means. Okay, so one number right side the move the point. One number means 3 after point. Okay, 23. 2.3 into 10 equal to 23. Next 2.3 into 100. 2.3 into 100. Here how many zeros is there, ma? 2 zeros. So 2 numbers right side move the point. Here only one number is there. 2, 3. So another place right 0. 230. Okay. 2.3 into 100. 230. 2.3 into 100. 230. Next same number 2.3 into 1000. 2.3 into 1000. Here 3 zeros is there. So 3 numbers right side move the point. Starting point 3 before is there. So equal to 2. Only point after one number is there. My remaining 2 places write 0. 2300. 2.3 into 2.3 into 1000 means 2300. Okay, multiplication by 10, 100 or 1000. Okay, understood? Next, division of decimal numbers. Division of decimal numbers. Same division of decimal numbers also divided by. Same example see 2.3 divided by 10. 2.3 division of decimal numbers. 2.3 divided by 10. 2.3 divided by 10 means in multiplication point move to the right side. In division point move to the left side. See 2.3 by 10. 2.3 divided by 10 means 2.3 by 10 equal to, in multiplication move to the right side, in division move to the left side. Here how many zeros is there? 1 0. So one number move to the left side. Okay, so 0.23. 2.3 divided by 10 means 0.23. Next 2.3 divided by 100. 2.3 divided by 100. See here 2.3 divided by 100 means 2.3 by 100. 2.3 by 100 equal to, here denominator how many zeros is there ma? 2 zeros is there. So 2 number left side move the point. Already 1 number is there. So remaining place 0 right. Okay. 0.023. 2.3 divided by 100 means 0.023. Okay. Next same 2.3 divided by 1000. 2.3 divided by 1000 equal to 2.3 by 1000. 2.3 by 1000. Here how many zeros is there in denominator? 3 zeros is there. That's why 3 numbers left side move the point. 3 numbers left side move the point means here only 1 number is there. 1 number is there. Remaining 2 places write zeros. Okay. 0.0023. 0.0023. Okay, understood? Okay, ma? Okay, thank you.